Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to enable language translation option on Facebook post. To do that, open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that. Then you scroll down, tap on Setting and Privacy, tap on Settings. In the settings, you need to tap on the language and region inside preference. You tap that. Now here you will have the option to change language for a multiple purpose. From here you need to choose the option of language you would like to have post translation into. Tap that. And here you will have the option to translate posts into this language. Here are all the languages available in Facebook. You can choose any one that you prefer. This way you will be enabling language translation option on Facebook post, as currently the language translation option is English. So if you tap on something else, the post on Facebook will be translated to French. So this is how you will enable language translation. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.